Lesa, wandi. Sometimes the pain is too much, but you are still God. The night feels longer than before. Silence echoes through the door. Your laughter used to fill this place. Now only memories remain. Amenso yandi, yaisula, Imisonzi. Umutima wandi, walifunika. Ndefwaya, ukukumona, nakabili. But I know mwaleya, kuli. I try to be strong through the day, but when the night comes I pray, because the pain inside my chest feels heavier than before. Mwe Lesa, Nkwateni, before I fall apart. This sorrow in my soul is breaking my heart. When I cannot understand why life must change this way, I kneel down in the silence and quietly I pray.
Imisonzi Nge Mvula, Nge Mvula. Lesa, Nkwateni, Umutima wandi.
Hold me, Jesus,
hold me, Jesus.
when the night is long and cold.
Imisonzi
But your love restores my soul. Yeah. I remember the days we shared, moments filled with love and care. Your voice still echoes in my mind, a memory time cannot erase. Nalimitemwa sana, umutima wandi walifunika. Nombandelo lesha kuli Mwe Lesa, for comfort through this pain. Life is empty without you here, but fate whispers in my ear that heaven gained a precious soul, safe within the Father's home. Mwe Lesa, Nkwateni, when my strength is gone, the road ahead feels dark and the night feels long, but your word reminds my soul you never leave our side. Even in the valley you walk with us through the night. Imisonzi Nge Mvula, Nge Mvula. Lesa, Nkwateni, Umutima wandi. Hold me, Jesus,
hold me, Jesus.
when the night is long and cold. But your love restores my soul. Nangu umutima wandi ulekalipa, shakale kukutetekela mulimwe. Even when the pain is deep and my tears fall endlessly, your mercy whispers hope to me, that love never truly dies. Mwe Lesa, heal my heart again, until the day we meet above, in your kingdom without pain. Oh, Imisonzi Nge Mvula, Nge Mvula. Lesa, Nkwateni, oh, mwikatu umutima wandi. Hold me Jesus,
hold me Jesus,
hold me Jesus,
hold me Jesus.
Imisonzi
lebona nge mvula,
Lesa Nkwateni,
lebona nge mvula,
levula, lesa wandi. Though my tears fall like rain, your love heals the pain. Imisonzi lebona nge mvula, but tomorrow hope will rise